Hello, I'm Kimberly from DIY AppDesigner, and I'm excited to share with you our DIY feature stage tutorial. By now, you have completed the design of your app. In this tutorial, we are going to cover adding features for your subscribers to use and enjoy. Our DIY features allow you to add exciting information and engagement to your app, allowing you to grow, engage, and monetize products and services with your subscribers. Before we get started, it's highly recommended you spend some time reviewing all the features page and the mobile app previewer page on our website. Click Features at the top of the page to view the full list of features available to you in your app. Click on any of the features to view a description, images, and a video clip showing you the functionality of the app feature. Hover over the features in the top menu and click Mobile App Previewer. The App Previewer allows you to view and use DIY AppDesigner apps in real time. Simply download the App Previewer on your smartphone and enter the username and password to view any of the demo or live apps and their features. Okay, let's get started. Each app can have a maximum of 8 features in total, 4 on the home menu and up to 4 on the side menu. Based on the industry you have selected for your app, we have separated the features into 3 categories: highly recommended, recommended, and view all. You can always revisit a feature's information by clicking on the eye icon found on each feature. Think about the placement of features within your app. Think about sequence and placement of features on your home screen. First, top left, second, top right, third, bottom left, and fourth, bottom right. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can always remove and re-add features. Lastly, don't be too concerned with the tab names and icons shown. Once you have selected all your features, you'll get an opportunity to change both before your app is published. I'm going to continue building the Jewel on High Salon Spa app. The first feature I'd like to select on the home screen is the Services feature. In this feature, you have 3 call to action options. Subscribers can call or inquire via a form or make an instant live booking. For Jewel on High, I'm going to select Bookings, which can either link to their existing third-party booking system. You will notice, now that I've selected the feature, the App Previewer on the left will update to show that the feature has been added to the app. The second feature is the App Store, which we will later rename Hair Care. This is an in-app e-commerce platform for businesses that don't have an existing online store. The third home screen feature is the Promotions feature, which is one of the most used features in all our apps. And the fourth and final feature is the Location Information feature, which we are going to call Contact Us. I'll save my home menu features by clicking Next. I can select up to 4 side menu features. You don't have to use all 4 features. The best apps are the simplest. Sometimes less is more. In your side menu, you have 3 standard features. A home feature, so you can return from the side menu back to the home screen menu. An inbox feature, where all of the push notifications you send your subscribers are stored. And a setting feature, mainly used by subscribers to log in or manage app settings. For Jewel on High, the side menu will include Image Overlay, the Loyalty Program, and the Video Gallery feature. Now that I'm happy with the features in my app, I will click Next. In this stage, we can review the features we have added to our app and can rename and change the icons on each feature. I'm going to click Edit on the Locations feature, change the name to Contact Us, and select a different icon, then Save Changes. You'll note all changes happen in real time on the App Previewer. I can click on the highlighted sections of the Previewer to view the multiple features I have selected. Please note, this is just for demonstration purposes only. Now that I'm happy with the design and features I have selected for my app, I will tick I'm happy with the design and confirm to move forward. This will allow me to click and proceed to the next stage. I'll simply select my preferred subscription plan, fill in my billing details, selected the payment method, and I'm done. Once you have finished your app and subscribed to one of our plans, Simply allow us 1 or 2 days to build your app. Set up your mobile app previewer and content management system, and you'll be able to start populating your app with content before it's published for the whole world to see. That's it. We hope you enjoy designing your very own app using DIY App Designer.